I woke up really early. It was still dark outside. I looked in the mirror and said, "Let's do this." I got dressed quickly and looked great. Then I made some eggs, toast, and a big coffee. I felt proud, like a real adult. I left home with a smile and big plans. But then I slipped on a banana peel. Yes, a real banana peel, in real life. My pants got dirty and my elbow hurt. Still, I stood up fast like nothing happened. At the office, I said, "Good morning," with energy. Nobody answered, not even a smile. I opened my laptop to start working. But the screen turned blue. It died. I asked, "Can I get a new laptop?" The IT guy laughed and said, "Maybe next week." So I used paper, a lot of paper. I tried to print one file, but the printer jammed. I pulled the paper. It made a strange noise. Then it started smoking. I panicked. My boss came running and looked angry. He asked, "What did you do this time?" I said, "I only printed one page." He said, "You printed a disaster." He told me to take a break. So I went to the break room to relax. But the coffee machine was broken. I made some tea instead. Cold tea. No sugar. Later, I joined a video meeting. I smiled at the camera, but my face froze. Then I rejoined the call. No sound this time. I spoke for 5 minutes. No one could hear me. I typed in the chat, "Can you hear me?" Someone replied, "Sadly, yes." At lunch, I tried to be social. I asked, "What are you eating?" One coworker said, "Not your food." Ouch. I opened my lunchbox. It was empty. I had crackers in my drawer, very dry. A friend gave me a candy. I dropped it. I looked at the candy on the floor. It was next to the printer, still smoking. I thought about picking it up, but then I said, "Nope, not today." Back at my desk, I opened Excel. I stared at the screen for a long time. I typed 123, then deleted it. Typed "hello," then deleted that too. My boss walked by and looked suspicious. I smiled and said, "Working hard." Then I sent an empty email to everyone. Subject, important. Body, nothing. Someone replied, "What's so important?" I answered, "My feelings." Finally, it was 5 p.m. I stood up like a superhero. I walked out of the office proud. It wasn't a great day, but I survived. In the parking lot, I looked for my car. Then I remembered I didn't drive today. I took the bus this morning. So I waited. Again. A pigeon stood next to me. It looked at me like it understood everything. I said, "I need a new job." The pigeon flew away. Even it gave up.